Hello everyone, welcome to another Monese tutorial. Today I will show you how to get a virtual free card on Monese or Monese. I'm sorry for my pronunciation. I know it's probably not Monese, but still, this is basically a tutorial about how to create a virtual card. So, first of all, right, this is very simple. You need to open the Monese app and head to the card tab. So just find card tab somewhere in the app. Then you will need to swipe left to the virtual card option to create your card, right? Then you can select create virtual card, and that pretty much is it, right? Once your virtual card is set up, you will also be able to add it just like Revolut, right? On your Apple Pay or on your Google Pay, right? And then you will be able to use that virtual card with pretty much anything. Now, if you want to cancel your virtual card, you can open the Monese app and head to the card tab, swipe left to the virtual card, and then select lock card, and it will be immediately locked, right? Now, to use your virtual card again, you just need to follow the same steps and select unlock card. Pretty much the same, pretty much simple. So if you have any questions or regarding this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next Monese tutorial video.